In this short video, you're going to discover our new Auto Job Finder software that automatically gets you endless freelance jobs that pay $50, $200, even $1,000 plus, and helps you win them. According to latest statistics on Time.com, freelancers in the US make an average of $31 an hour, or $64,000 a year, which comes out to 17% more than the typical full-time employed worker. More people than ever are freelancing online, of all ages, around the world. So whether you have a few spare hours every week or more, I'll show you how to generate extra cash sitting at home with our latest solution. Searching for freelance work in the evenings and on weekends is tiresome, and if you're sick of worrying where the next paycheck is coming from, then here's how our amazing Auto Job Finder software can transform your freelance business practically overnight. Save hours browsing the internet for low-paying gigs manually. Simply log into Auto Job Finder, type in what you're looking for, hit search, then sit back as Auto Job Finder instantly uncovers an endless supply of profitable jobs from multiple freelance websites, including Freelancer, GoLance, 99 Design, People Per Hour, Aquin, FlexJobs, Crop, Behance, with many more being added. No more dealing with multiple screens or logging into different websites. Whether you're looking for ebook creation jobs, PowerPoint slides formatting, writing tasks, graphic design, admin work, auto narration, video editing, or coding gigs, Auto Job Finder scans major freelance websites to find you freshly posted jobs in a heartbeat. And there's more. We'll also give you 5 ready-made job application templates to speed up your proposals to clients, to make sure you say the right thing at the right time. Simply fill in the blanks and slash hours off each job application, allowing you to apply to more jobs more often. And that's still not all. Your freelance profile is like an online CV and is a critical part of getting hired. But it can be exhausting creating a profile for each site, and it's hard to know what to say to create an awesome impression with clients and stand out. That's why we're including 10 ready-made freelance profile templates that will save you hours of work, allowing you to simply fill in the blanks to create a profile that kicks butt and helps you land more clients from day one. Forget searching for jobs manually one at a time. Forget cold calling clients who don't care. Forget trying to build a website and run a blog in the evenings. Forget blowing cash on Facebook or Google ads that don't land you any work. Forget networking on the weekends or during your precious office time. Just fire up Auto Job Finder, tap in the work you want to do, then sit back and let it automatically deliver the best paid jobs instantly from clients who are ready to hire you today. You'll never have to worry about where the next paycheck is coming from and be able to fill up your calendar with work you love month after month. Today you'll get instant access to Auto Job Finder software. Just enter a keyword to search for profitable jobs across multiple freelance websites instantly, including Freelancer, GoLance, 99 Designs, People Per Hour, Aquin, FlexJobs, Crop, and Behance, with more being added regularly. Instant profile templates. Select from 10 ready-made profile templates and fill in the blanks to create a professional profile in minutes, not hours. Job application templates. Speed up your applications and increase your chances of winning jobs with 5 ready-made job application templates. Bookmark engine. Bookmark and shortlist potential jobs right inside your dashboard so you can return to them when you're ready to apply. Job tracker. Track jobs you've applied for to keep organized across all websites and follow up to increase your chances of getting work. If you're anything like us, you just want to be your own boss, work from anywhere, choose your hours, do great work, and get paid well for it. This extra income could let you eliminate stress and anxiety, spend more time with your loved one, play with the kids without looking at your watch, visit your parents more often, pay off your credit cards and loans, buy things you want without looking at price tags, travel to your favorite places regularly. You don't really have a choice. Option 1. You can be the freelancer who struggles to keep the lights on, burning all your creative energy trying to find work the hard way. Option 2. You can be like the top earning freelancers of this world, who have smart systems for quickly and easily finding well-paid jobs day after day. With Auto Job Finder, you can have the ultimate shortcut to finding jobs fast. A way to transform your freelance career from the constant up and down income and sleepless nights to a career that's bursting with opportunities, clients, and cash. We're 100% certain that you'll save hours of searching and applying for freelance jobs in any work category. But the only way for you to be certain is to test drive it for yourself, risk-free for 30 days. Click the button below to activate your account to instantly access the latest version of Auto Job Finder right now and use it for a full 30 days unrestricted. If you don't agree that this is the fastest route to uncover hundreds of profitable jobs automatically while using the templates to speed up the application process and win more jobs than ever before, then you pay nothing. But this is a limited time offer. We're either going to increase the price because of the heavy load on our servers as it runs 24/7, or cap the number of people who can use it to prevent market saturation and give our users an edge over the competition. This is the best investment you'll ever make. It's like giving you a fishing rod, the bait, and telling you exactly where the fish are. But you don't have much time left. Click the button below to start using Auto Job Finder today for more jobs, clients, and profits.